Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change your MAC address on Windows 10. Open Device Manager, locate the network adapter, and open Properties to modify the network address value. If Device Manager lacks the option, use the registry method with care and backup first. Remember to disable and re-enable the adapter or reboot to apply the new MAC address. I will guide you through safe, step-by-step actions. Start by opening Device Manager and finding the network adapter you want to change. Right-click it, choose Properties, and go to the Advanced tab to find Network Address or Locally Administered Address. Enter a 12-digit MAC using numbers and letters with no separators. Click OK, disable and re-enable the adapter, and verify the change with ipconfig/all. This method is quick and reversible if you keep the original MAC noted. If Device Manager lacks the option, carefully use regedit to change the MAC. Back up the registry first, then navigate to the adapter class key and confirm the device by driver desk. Create or edit the network address string and enter a 12-digit MAC value without separators. Save, close, and reboot or disable and re-enable the adapter. This approach works when drivers hide the setting but requires caution and a registry backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.